Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. So the new HSK is out. It's a change, so we're all gonna have to go through this whether we like it or not. It's happening. And I kind of think it's for the best. And from what I understand, the structure is more aligned with all the other European languages. So I'm actually all for it. Though my only concern is that with the learning material that's gonna be found online, I think for that a lot of people are still gonna rely heavily on previous HSK just because there's so much material that's already out there that's been designed around those categories. But let's waste no more time and jump straight to the new HSK words. So the best word list that I found on the internet is on this website is Pandarn. Okay, it's an Indonesian website. I'm using a translation, and therefore all the text is in English. But they have this amazing interactive word list. Okay, so as you can see that the vocabulary for the new HSK1 has been greatly increased from 150 words to 500. Okay, as you click on the character, you're gonna get the pinyin and the definition. I've personally gone through the whole list and just to know where I stand. And there were 16 words that I didn't know from this list at all. So I think it's a good exercise, and I would advise you to do that as well. One of the things that it's going to do is that it's going to help you notice all the patterns, and it's going to help you differentiate similar sounding words. So for example, over here you can see that it's all in alphabetical order. We have I, how, hobby, and then moving on with all the words with B, and also like how each word connects with other word. So over here like we have by, which is white, but by tian, daytime. So it's gonna help you notice all these things that you might have not noticed before. One of the most interesting things that I noticed was with the internet word. Let me just find that. Where was it? Here. So as you can see that this internet, like to go online is shangwan, but to go on the internet is one shang. So it's exactly same characters that just flipped. I'm still not sure how these words are actually used in a sentence, but when you have all your words together packed in this format, you're gonna notice things like this. And I think it's interesting. It's gonna help you kind of get a deeper understanding of like how these characters, which are the building blocks of the words, relate to each other and form new words. So guys, that's pretty much it as far as the vocabulary list goes. There's this other page that I found which I think does a much better job at explaining what changes have actually been made to the new HSK. For example, it has all this nice looking infographic and really breaking it down all the new things which are in this new HSK. It also tells you that not only new words have been added, but there are few words which have also been removed. Like there are actually 12 words which have been removed from the HSK1, and maybe they have been put into HSK2, 3 or 4. So there you go. It also actually tells you like in which HSK it is right now. So like words like dog, cat, mao, piao liang, they all are in HSK2. Taxi, choose a chair. Words like homian is now in HSK3, and few, this word is in HSK4. I have no idea why they divide the words like this, but it's a new system, and I think we're just gonna have to adapt to it. Let me know your thoughts, what you think about this new HSK, and how it's really gonna change the way we learn the language. I'm also going to go through HSK2 just to see how many words are missing from my vocabulary. In the current HSK2, there are actually 772 words. In the previous one, there were 300 new words. 772 plus 500. Okay, so these are new words that you're gonna learn in the new HSK. In the previous one, till HSK 2, you only came to like around 450 words, because HSK1 initially had 150 words and the second one had 300. So in the current system by HSK2 you're actually learning 822 new words. Okay, so it's definitely a lot tougher than before, but I don't think it really changes anything, because what you know before is the same thing you're gonna know now. It's just the way you're gonna be graded, you know. That's just my personal opinion. But yeah guys, so that's all for now. All the links are in the description down below. Of course, I'm not gonna make you go look for the links again, so go ahead, check them out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.